Okay, today is November 30th. It's almost midnight. It's 11:42. At ito yung weather forecast for the whole week. At yung Manila, Pomona, there's no rain coming up. Chino Hills, nothing then. But sa Manila, it's drizzle. And parang uulan doon, 70%. And then Monday, 85%. Tuesday, 60%. Wednesday, and then yun doon na. And here in Los Angeles, wala, there's no rain din. And then New York, malamig sa New York. Nako, 27 degrees. In Diamond Bar, it's 56 degrees, malamig. But Lancaster, yung Lancaster na yan, kami dito sa Walnut, Diamond Bar, hindi kami nag-yellow, pero in Lancaster, minsan umuulan din na yellow. Ayan, kasama pa ang Cavite. Ayan pa na. Ito yung mga lugar na napuntahan. Kaya siguro na register dito sa iPad. Okay, Cavite, 65% ngayon. And then, Monday, 80%. Sounds like uulan sa Monday. Okay, and next is Pittsburgh. Malamig to sa Pennsylvania yan. Malamig. There's no rain coming up. Sa North Tonawanda, that's in New York. Yan, 24 degrees. Malamig din. Monterey, that's in Louisiana. Parang sa Thursday, ayan, 45% uulan. Walnut, there's no rain coming up. Chino, 56 degrees. La Jolla, mostly cloudy. That's also in California. Tonawanda, it's also in New York, 24 degrees. Malamig din sa Canada, it's in Ottawa. 40% nag-yellow doon. Wednesday, 55, ayan, Las Vegas, 43 degrees. Nasali pa sa Enrique Villanueva. Enrique Villanueva, 86, mainit doon. Mainit ngayon doon sa Talintingbat. Uy, 55% humid doon, parang umuulan. 55%. And then Monday, yan kasi Sunday na doon sa Pilipinas ngayon. And then Laguna Beach, also in California, there's no rain coming up. Mostly cloudy. That's it.